Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Education Allowing. Let's fly with success. Today is 12 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Education Allowing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous three questions. First we have to answer it. Our first question was, who is selected for the Nobel Peace Prize 2020? WFP, WHO, Donald Trump, option D Vladimir Putin. The answer here is World Food Programme, WFP. The Norwegian Nobel Committee has decided to award the Nobel Peace Prize for 2020 to the World Food Programme. The World Food Programme is the world's largest humanitarian organization addressing hunger and promoting food securities. Okay, and the headquarters is situated in Rome, Italy. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Our second question was, World Bank projected India's GDP contract by how much percent in financial year 2021? 8%, 6%, 9.6%, 11.2%. The answer here is option C, 9.6%. World Bank projected India's GDP to contract by 9.6% in this financial year 2021, which is effect of the national lockdown and income shock experienced due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, World Bank is in news. The headquarters is situated in Washington DC, and the chief of the World Bank is David Malpass. David Malpass is the chief of World Bank. Okay, and World Bank is established in 1944. In 1944 it is established. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which day is observed at World Egg Day? 10 October, 11 October, 12 October, option D, second Friday of October. The answer here is second Friday of October. Every year, the second Friday of October is celebrated as the World Egg Day. It is celebrated to raise the awareness about the benefits of egg and their importance in human nutrition. Okay, human nutrition. And this year, the second week of the second Friday of the October is held in 9 October. So this year, World Egg Day is observed in 9 October. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has collaborated with Google to mark containment zone in the city of Google Map? MCGM, MCM, MCG, option D, none of these. The answer here is MCGM. Option A is answer here. Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Abbreviation is Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Recently, the MCGM and the Google have collaborated to mark the containment zone in the city on Google Map. On Google Map, you find the containment zone. Okay, and the headquarters of the Google is situated in California, US. California, US. And Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 3. Which coastal security exercise was concluded on 8 October 2020 for 2 days? Sea Vigil, Sagar Kavach, Matla Abhijan, option D, none of these. The answer here is Sagar Kavach. Option B is correct here. A 2 days coastal security exercise, Sagar Kavach, concluded on 8 October 2020. About 20 ships of the Indian Navy and the Coast Guard, as well as the 50 patrol craft, took part in this exercise. Okay, you can see the image here. Sagar Kavach, a naval exercise. Okay, coastal security exercise. Okay, next question. Which state has launched Swanirbar Nari Atmanirbhar Assam scheme? Odisha, Bihar, Assam, Rajasthan. Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is Assam. Option C is correct here. Recently, Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal has launched the Swanirbar Nari Atmanirbhar Assam scheme. It has been launched to empower the economically disadvantaged women of the state. Okay, you can see the image of Sarbanand Sonowal also here. Okay, and the scheme name is Swanirbar Nari Atmanirbhar Assam scheme. Okay, Assam is in news. Capital is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay. Question number 5. Which company has announced the plan to give its employee an option to work from home permanently? Work from home permanently. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, option D, IBM. Correct answer here is the famous multinational company Microsoft. Microsoft has announced the plan to give its employee an option to work from home permanently. Headquarters of the Microsoft will be situated in. It is also situated in Washington, US, and the CEO of Microsoft is Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft. Okay, and recently Microsoft give the announced that their employee can work permanently from home. Work from home. Okay. Next question. Indian origin academician Srikant Datar has been named as Dean of which of the business school? Stanford, Harvard, IIM Bangalore, IIT Bombay. The answer here is Harvard. Recently, the eminent Indian origin academician Srikant Datar has been named as the Dean of the Harvard Business School, succeeding Nitin Noida. He will succeed Nitin Noida and achieved the Dean position in in Harvard Business School. Okay, he has become the second consecutive dean hailing from the India to lead the prestigious 112-year-old institution. Harvard is 112-year-old institution. Okay, and Srikant Datar, you can see the image of Srikant Datar here, the new dean of Harvard Business School. Okay. Question number 7. Who among the following won Alternative Nobel Award 2020? Brian Stevenson, Aminatou Haidar, Greta Thunberg, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Brian Stevenson. Recently, Brian Stevenson of US won the Alternative Nobel Award 2020. This award is presented annually by the Swedish Right Livelihood Foundation. Swedish Right Livelihood Foundation. About 4 people who got this award, and Brian Stevenson from US got the Alternative Nobel Award. Okay. Next question. Which state will build temporary shelter for the migratory birds? Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha, option D, Andhra Pradesh. Answer here is option B, Rajasthan. The Rajasthan government will build temporary shelter for the migratory birds near the famous Sambar Lake. They will build before 2020 winter season, when a large number of the birds come from the Central Asia. Okay, Rajasthan is in news. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Okay, capital is Jaipur. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot, and Kalraj Mishra is the governor of Rajasthan. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which airport became the first entirely solar power airport of AAI? Vellore Airport, Puducherry Airport, Chennai International Airport, option D, none of these. The answer here is Puducherry Airport. Puducherry Airport. The Puducherry Airport has become the first airport of the Airport Authority of India. AAI stands for Airport Authority of India, which is entirely solar power recently. Okay, entirely solar power. Next question. Question number 10. To which country did Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually address the Invest India conference? Sri Lanka, America, Canada, or option D, Australia? Answer here is Canada. Option C is correct here. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually addressed the Invest India conference in Canada. The forum aims to Canadian business community to invest in India and to showcase the India as the investment destination. Okay, Canada is in news. Capital is Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Currency is Canadian dinar. Canadian dinar is currency. And Justin Trudeau is the Prime Minister of Canada. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. After our discussion of the current affairs, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, who has been take over the charge of Ministry of Consumer Affairs after the death of the Ramvilas Paswan? Because Ramvilas Paswan, the Ministry of Consumer Affairs recently passed away. Okay, our second question was, which state become topped in Har Ghar Jal scheme? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the further updates. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.